weird though, because Drug Mart's like virtually untouched. I mean, look at that piece of metal wrapped around that light pole. $120 to $125-mile-an-hour winds, they say. Look at that metal out there. That's all from rocket right there. That's their roof. Out there in those trees. See all that debris? That's all from rocket. Somebody's out here patching up all that window. No, look at that. Way out behind there, there's something laying. Down they got pretty banged up too. All those masts, or the light masts, there's signs going up here.